Okay, so what we're going to go to now is going to be the single arm lat pull down. Okay, yeah, so the two key things with this here is, first of all, this position needs to stay as static as possible. And the second one is that when we're pulling down, we're pulling the arm and the elbow outwards as much as we possibly can. And we're trying to pull the elbows back, so we're pulling the shoulder blades back, okay, rather than pulling it in toward the body, okay? So the position that we're looking for then is when we get into the position there, using the single hand strap. From there, it's going to tuck the legs in, and in that position there, as we're pulling down, is keep the palm facing forward, but you're going to pull it all the way down to the side there, keeping the body nice and still, nice and upright. You can hold on to something if you need to, okay, yeah, so either hold on underneath or over the top, whatever suits you, but just keep the body nice and still and straight, so you're not using your body to pull the weight, okay, stay upright, and you're just going to pull down, pulling the elbow back, okay, yeah, and down, all the way through, and then all the way back up to the top, like so. So you're just pulling down, and then back, like so. Okay, I'll change this side. In that position there, keeping the body nice and still, just gonna pull down, pulling the elbow back, and down, like so. So you're controlling the weight all the way through. Okay, we're not pulling in, using the body, keep it nice and still, all the way down, and then back, like so.